Hello Twitch, hello YouTube. I'm bringing in anonymous guest to learn some Python. Let's go full screen. Okay, we're in. You
Awesome.
are live on Twitch.
Awesome.
Okay, we have our todo.md. Let's take a look.
Okay. Given a string, print each character on a new line, but only print the character if it is a lowercase. Test it with the following strings. Quote, hello, quote, comma, quote, Thursday, which has two S's.
It does for now.
Uh, quote, comma, quote, nothing, quote. So only print the character if it's a lowercase. You know, it's funny. I actually remember the syntax for this.
Hmm.
Surprisingly,
Good.
yeah. Um. So wait, what am I doing? What am I doing?
You need to
All
go
right.
back to
So
the
so
coding
so
page.
just coding.
Yeah.
Just code. Okay.
This would be a good use
I,
case for a doc string with those three quotes.
Docstring.
It would be good to start this with three double quotes
Eh,
to put
Oh,
the
to
text, the
oh,
the
okay.
exact the instruction text in a.
I would have. I was gonna do
Yeah, that
this.
works too. That's fine. We can do it that way.
Yeah, but I don't like how it's gray. So if I do three dog strings,
Uh-huh.
it doesn't gray it out.
Do double quotes for this,
Oh,
and
so it
it's
has to be double quotes
it's
when
supposed
I.
to be double quotes, yeah. But here's the interesting thing: when you use triple quotes, it can be the string can be multi lines long. So you put triple quotes before given,
Oh, and then
and put triple quotes at
oh,
the end
okay,
of line two.
okay, okay, interesting. Oh yeah, now I know why you told me to do double quotes because there's already quotes in
That's
the.
another good reason to do double quotes, yes.
Yeah, okay. So
But it's
you
also just a
know,
style thing to use double quotes when you're doing the three quote doc string.
is there a way instead of me, like, what if I just did a variable and made it this? Am I allowed to do that?
Well, you could make a variable and make it one, then the next of those things. I mean, it can't really be all three things at once.
What if I did a list and
That's that's going beyond the
oh,
scope of the assignment, so I wouldn't bother with that.
okay, damn, okay.
Start
So
with just the first one for now.
yeah, baby steps. So we're like my thought process, like I'm gonna have to do each one by one. No,
Yeah,
two.
each one by one. Yeah, but you don't. The program
Oh,
doesn't have to produce all three in one run. You can do the runs separately.
hmm. What the heck? What am I doing? It's not how you spell hello. All right, for character and hello, if character, how am I gonna put this? How am I gonna put this? If character, oh yeah. Okay, okay. What what am I doing? Equal. That's not equal. Is it equal? Character. I think it's not equal. I probably got that completely wrong. Wait, if it's lowercase, we'll put this on the lowercase. Equal character dot lower. I did that wrong too. But we'll find out when we run it. If character equal character run. And then wait, I am tripping. What one? you do it? How you do it? I'm completely forgetting how I did that. That semicolon probably is not needed. No, I think it is. Right. Yeah, it's probably not gonna work. Wait. Wait a minute. Oh, because okay. Okay. Because obviously it can only print one, but even then, yeah, I'm
Check
definitely
out
doing this wrong.
character.lower in the shell.
Oh, okay. Let's see. What would it do? Built-in method lower a string object at built-in method lower a string. What does that mean? What the heck does that mean? What the heck does that mean? Heard that lower. This is supposed to be brief. No, not because of this. If character equals yeah, I know I got this completely misconstrued. If character
You've just forgotten one bit of the syntax. So you're actually really close.
Oh snap! Hold up.
There you go.
Wait. There we go. Holy smokes. That's crazy.
Character.lower is a method, and the method is not equal to the character. But when you call the method, the result of the method may be equal to the character.
That's crazy how that just came up. Like the second you said that, it just wow. Okay. So
now just
I mean,
now
that
just
solves
copy in
one.
the other the
Yeah.
other strings and make sure that it looks right for them. But at this point, you've solved it.
Okay. So it's basically ew, what is that? Okay. Um this literally do the whole thing over again.
Uh, you don't have to do the whole thing over again. You can. I mean, you could do the whole thing over again. Sure.
But
While you're
you're saying
doing
there's
that,
an easier way to do it.
I mean,
Like I don't have to be
I mean, just I don't need the program to print all three of them in one run.
okay.
You can just
You
try it
already
with the different ones
okay,
one at
that's
a
what you're
time,
saying. That's what you're saying. Okay, like this.
and just copy paste the Thursday. Don't try to
Oh
type
yeah,
it
you're
with
right.
the funny double letters and capitals and everything.
Wow, so I really did have it. It was just this whole
Mhm.
time this character, I mean these two characters. But I had it the whole time. That's weird because I remember we only did this like once. Like the
Mm,
character lower thing, we only did that like once.
that's interesting.
So how did I remember that? Huh. Very interesting. All right. Now next challenge. I think I can handle anything now.
Okay, I'm gonna a programming course that I took said one
Mm.
thing is that the art of designing programs is taking poorly written requirements and turning them
Mm.
into well designed programs.
Huh.
So here comes a somewhat not super great design, not super well written requirement.
Okay. Let me write down what this code that I just typed in
Okay.
so that way I don't have that moment where I forget a piece in it. I'm gonna write, yeah, because I like every single time I have these moments where like I forget
Mm-hmm.
a piece, I want to write it down so it never happens again.
It's a good idea. I think.
Yeah.
Okay, I've got your pull request ready
Okay,
for
one
the next
second. I'm
question.
just writing this out. I don't know. I'm starting to get a little bit more not comfortable, but that too, but confident in what I'm doing now.
Hmm. Yeah, this
Um,
review is proving helpful, I think.
yeah, yeah. I think we struck gold with this one, especially with the writing portion. Okay, so given a string, print each character on a new line. But only. Oh, I see. I see. But only print the character if it is a lowercase.
That sounds a little familiar.
So, so, so you're saying on just one line? Oh no, no, you're lying. No, I mean not you're lying, but um, you're saying like we just did, but given a string.
So the idea is we already did the first item, so I added a second item to the same to-do.md.
Oh, I just realized that. Listen, hey, given a string, filter out the letters in the second half of the alphabet. What? The alphabet.
Oh, hey, we got an Evek Noah. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for stopping
Wait,
by. Sorry I didn't catch that a little sooner.
wait, given a string, filter out the letters in the second half of the alphabet. Wait, what? Wait, you want me to start using the alphabet? The entire alphabet?
Hmm.
So like print
I can
like
think of two ways to do that. You can do the manual way or the clever way. Manual way is totally fine.
wait. So the string that I'm working with is the entire alphabet.
The string that you're working with could be like a random key smash that contains potentially letters from the first or the second half of the alphabet. Or it could be a sentence, or it could be anything.
But essentially what oh, it's only half of the alphabet.
Hmm.
Huh.
So
Okay,
let me just like,
that's
um, well,
oh, you know
let's.
what I forgot? There's something you forgot to tell me.
What did
I
I
mean,
forget to tell you?
forgot to, I have to input the answer to the first portion
Oh yeah,
in the files.
oh yeah. Go ahead and you can do that in this file. Actually, I'll show you how to do that.
Oh,
So do edit.
uh, not that.
I usually click the pencil button. I don't know what edit in place means, but just click the
Oh,
pencil.
okay.
So then after
Oh,
line 3,
I didn't
start
even
a
know
new
you could.
line.
Wait. Oh, it's not enter to do a new line?
It is entered to do a line. I don't know why it's not letting you.
Oh,
There it
there we
goes.
go.
Now delete to the. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I'm
Slow
sorry.
down.
Whoa, that's not what you meant. That's not what you meant.
Now delete
Okay.
back to the indent and use the tick character 3 times.
The tick character.
Yeah,
What's tick? What's tick?
top left of your keyboard,
You mean
like a back
this?
tick. I think that's it. Yeah,
You mean- Oh no. Okay, that's what you meant. Okay.
3 of those. Now enter. 3 more of those. Now notice that they're indented now, so delete the spaces between the ticks and the line 4 and line 6. Great. Now on line 5, paste your code.
Ah,
Oh, and one more
that's
thing. On line 4, after the 3 ticks, type PY.
like
Lowercase py. Now let's preview this.
now it's what? Sorry.
There's a preview button
Where? Oh,
next to
oh,
edit, and it makes it
oh,
pretty,
that's clean. Oh,
isn't it?
that's smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, so this was sectioned it out. So if I didn't do
Well, the 3
this,
dots tell Markdown to format it like code. The py
hmm,
tells it to color the code like Python.
hmm, that's and what if I did like if I did this, that wouldn't
That
that
would,
would
well,
break the
try it.
whole.
See what it does. You can click on preview.
Oh, okay. No, that's not the
Uh,
move.
hey, we've got a request Prolo Geek says, "Hi Eric, can you increase the font to allow me to read on my phone?" Let's zoom in if we can.
Oh, uh-oh.
Okay, Prolo Geek, how does that look? Thanks for asking too.
I forgot about that.
Yeah, I did too. I mean, I can see it fine on my screen, so obviously everyone else should be fine, right?
The phone screen is a different story.
Different story.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
never even thought about that. I don't know how we're gonna compensate for the people that are viewing on the phone.
Well, maybe this will be enough. Prolo Geek says it is better. Sounds good. Thanks for stopping by, Prolo Geek. Okay. So we can commit this now.
Awesome. Well, I have to get out of full screen now. Oh, well,
No, you just have to scroll up,
commit.
but it works.
Yeah, okay. Sorry, I put it back. All right. Now I just have to learn how to switch tabs without having to get out of full screen.
It's Control Tab or Control Shift Tab to go back a tab.
Oh. Oh, okay.
But anyway, you found your way.
Yep. Well, no, well, so we're trying to figure out, I mean, I'm trying to figure out how the heck am I doing this? Like, you said use the first half of the alphabet or one half of the alphabet and to filter out the other half? Like, yeah, that question did. Oh, that is what you mean.
Yeah.
So, like, I wanted to print
So
one half
like
of the
if the let's take an example. So make a comment.
okay.
Type
Or
ABC or a doc string. That works too. Double quotes for a
ABC,
doc string.
right, A, B, C.
Lowercase, no spaces,
Right,
just for style.
A,
No
oh,
spaces.
but like it should be like this.
No
Oh,
commas.
okay, B.
ABC,
Okay,
XYZ,
X, Y, Z.
and then space arrow, like dash caret. I mean dash. What is it called? Yeah, right caret.
Now I want to carry.
ABC.
But,
Yeah, carets are good.
yeah.
Then three more. Wait, no, we don't need three more quotes. So on the new line,
A new line?
yeah. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. Let's type the Bath of Zorro.
Wait, the Bath of Zorro?
Yes.
Huh.
And let's see. I didn't tell you what to do with spaces, so let's assume we keep spaces. So do an arrow.
I forgot no spaces, but
Yeah, that's okay. So which half of the alphabet is T in?
wait, T,
Yeah.
N, like the letter T and N.
Is T in the first half or the second half of the alphabet? I actually don't know.
First half. Wait, but no, A, B, C. Well, technically, no, it's first half.
I think it's the second half.
No, first half. Wait, you said T?
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Oh no, T's on the second half. Well, T is on the second half, and no, they're both on the second half. Sorry. My apologies. I I had to spell out the alphabets to remember.
Yeah. So M is the last one in the first half. So this one will be. So we'll lose the T. We'll keep the H. So you can type the H and the E.
Wait, I'm removing these letters from this.
No, in the output on the second after the arrow. We don't have the T, but we do have the H and E.
Oh, like okay, so H, E, B, A.
B A H.
No, this way. H.
Space F.
Oh, F. Oh, O too?
Yeah.
What? Oh yeah.
Yep.
F. Okay, now
I think
get it.
I think there's nothing left.
R.
No, Z gets filtered out. O is lost. R is lost. So that's it. And let's put quotes around the string on both sides of this line, so we clarify where the space is at the end.
Oh, you mean? How about I just do the like for the missing letters?
No.
No. You said
The instructions
quotes.
didn't tell you to put empty lines. Put quotes around the Bath of Zorro.
Okay.
And now put a quote before he.
Quote before he. Okay.
Single quote for this one.
Sorry. Yeah.
and a space and a quote after F.
Space quote.
Yeah,
Hmm.
because I wanted a way to visually see that that space will still be there.
Okay.
Okay, so
Cool.
that's hopefully that helps you visualize the requirements a little better.
So once I filter out that second half, I should use a sentence to give an example of that
Sure.
filter working.
Well, let's do it with this example for now.
So uh shoot.
So at
This,
three double quotes to end your doc string.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah. But that that's ooh, that's definitely a tricky one. That's gonna take a minute to marinate to for me to even understand how to do.
Let's write
Um
input string,
wait, input
string.
like together in one line?
You can
Like
do an underscore between them.
okay,
Equals,
equals
and now copy paste the Bath of Zorro.
with the quotes.
Yep. And now see how much of the program you can write.
Oh, anyway, try to write it.
Yeah.
Okay. Um,
Pearl Geek, I'll get to your comment in a minute. But thank you.
hmm.
Oh, let's increase the font
Notice the
again.
fault. Oh, like, well,
That's
why is
maybe
it
too
doing that?
much. Oh, well, let's
Yeah.
leave it here. It's probably the best here.
Honestly, I mean, I know this can involve a for loop.
Okay.
I understand that
That's a good place to start.
in in an if condition
Hmm.
or at least one.
Yep.
Um, but how am I going to make it search like use the whole alpha? I mean, not the whole, but half of the alphabet without creating a whole super duper long body
With a
of
whole
an if
bunch of
condition.
nested if statements. You probably want to avoid
Yeah,
that, right?
yeah. Um, so how? Well,
Well,
one
write down
question
what you know, and that will help.
um,
That'll help
like
clarify what you don't know.
like literally typing like what is needed,
Like type the
like
parts of the program that you know we need. So the for loop. Start with that.
for character and actually, let me. Ooh, I don't like that. That's too close.
Mm.
For character and well, I'm not gonna type the whole alphabet, but uh, I mean,
Do we
I'm
want
just
a
gonna.
for loop over the alphabet or a for loop over something else?
Ooh,
Perlo Geek
huh.
says, great size for the font. Thanks. You're welcome, Perlo
Okay,
Geek.
so for character in. Okay, fair enough, because that is the sentence that we're gonna use.
But use the
Can I just fix
variable.
this? Huh?
Fix what?
Oh, input string. I just realized that
Hmm.
you made a variable for me,
Yep.
right? But then that's where you lose me. Like after I have that, I can't just type out the whole alphabet.
Now
So
it's time for some
what's
pseudocode.
suit what?
Pseudocode. Pseudocode is kind of like half English, half code.
Wait, pseudo code
Hmm.
is half English, half code. Huh. Yeah, definitely need some more elaboration on that one.
Hmm. So start typing it like half in Python, half in English, and get your idea on the page or on the screen.
Oh, okay. So like, if character, if character doesn't equal second half of alphabet. Well, I was gonna put like because I do know this portion at least. Like, doesn't equal second half of the alphabet. Then I want you to oh wait, and then like if that makes any sense. Then I want you to and then I move out of here. Oh well, that's not what I meant to do. Oh, sorry. Why am I doing that? There we go. Do it like that. If then I want you to print character. How do I get you? Can I use
We can do it. We can do it.
it?
One really basic. No, we haven't learned about logical or yet, so that doesn't work very well.
Wait, logical what?
Logical or.
It's spelled like OR?
OR, like this or that.
Hmm.
Have you learned? Remind me? Have you learned about in? Like
In like IN?
like if in like if character in my list, or if character in string. Have you seen stuff like that?
We probably did. If
Mhm.
character in string, I probably just don't remember.
Let me show you a quick example.
Uh-huh.
Go to the shell,
Okay.
type quote a
Quote A.
in space in
Oh, space. In? Wait.
a
Oh, sorry.
quote space in.
Oh,
And let me see, do you want a list of strings or a string?
let's do a list of strings.
Okay, bracket,
Hmm.
quote a
Okay.
quote, comma, quote b quote, comma, quote c quote,
There's nothing.
bracket. See what that does. It says
Yeah, but
true.
then that example just shows me the long way I would have done it.
It's not as long as writing if character not equal a colon indent, if character not equal b colon indent, if character not equal c colon indent. So now
So you're saying
so this is one possible solution, is to write if character in A B C D E F G H I J K L M. That's one way to do it. So your choice now is to do all that writing, or to research how to get the ASCII value of a character.
wait, what did you say? ASCII? What did you say?
ASCII, ASCII. So would you rather do typing or researching? Whoa.
Like, it's not like researching, but how much time is left?
I don't. Oh yeah, how much time do you have?
Oh, so we're past the clock.
Oh, we gotta go. Okay, let me
Yeah, if
jump
anything,
that
I'll
to the
think more
hourglass.
on this. If anything, if you are available later today, just for like a really short, like 20 minutes, to like try to get to the bottom of this question.
Okay. I just took your screen off so you can show that. And that also means that I lost your audio on the stream, so people won't be hearing you. But thanks for learning with me today, and have a good one. Bye. You're welcome, Prolo Geek. Prolo Geek, do you have any questions or any requests for something for me to... I might develop on a Discord bot that I'm working on, or I might go do some other stuff and stop the stream. But I want to see what you're into today. Actually, I'm going to call the stream here. I'm going to focus on some other things. Thanks for watching. I'll be possibly back online later today. We'll see.